Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the WordPress website builder. WordPress is an incredibly powerful and versatile platform, powering over 43% of all websites across the globe. Whether you're looking to build a simple blog, a complex e-commerce store, or a professional portfolio, WordPress offers the tools you need. We'll cover everything from initial setup to advanced customization, helping you create a stunning online presence with ease. Getting your WordPress site up and running begins with two crucial steps: selecting a web host and registering your domain name. Your host stores your website files, and your domain is its address on the internet. Most hosting providers offer a straightforward one-click WordPress installation, making the setup process incredibly simple. After installation, you'll choose a theme, which acts as the foundation for your site's design and layout. Now, let's dive into customizing your site using the powerful block editor, often called Gutenberg. This intuitive tool allows you to build pages and posts by adding and arranging individual content blocks. You can easily insert text, images, videos, buttons, and many other elements. Each block can be customized with its own settings, giving you precise control over your layout and design without needing any complex coding knowledge. To truly unlock WordPress's potential, you'll want to explore plugins. These add-ons extend your site's capabilities, from enhancing security to boosting search engine optimization, or even adding full e-commerce functionality. Before launching, ensure your site is optimized for search engines to attract visitors. Finally, conduct a thorough review of all your content and settings. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to hit publish and share your amazing website with the world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.